Hello, my class of 5th standard. Today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 30, Be a Netizen, from 5th standard English Bal Bharti. Okay, students, let's see things to do. First one, list the word or phrases related with computer or the internet. Questions. First one, have you ever seen or used a computer? Answer, yes. I have seen and used a computer in my school. Second, what is the internet? Answer, the internet or the net is a network of computers. Third, what is website? Websites are places on the net where information is stored and made available. Fourth, what is the World Wide Web? Answer, thousands of websites on the net together form the World Wide Web. Question 5th, what are search engines? Answer, special computers programs help us find the different websites on the World Wide Web known as search engines. 6. What is meant by browsing or surfing? Answer, looking at various websites in the computer is known as browsing or surfing. Question 7. What is meant by being online? Answer, being online means our computer is connected to the internet. Question 8. What is meant by being offline? Answer, being offline means we are not connected to the net. Question 9. What is email or electronic mail? Answer, the system of sending and receiving messages or mail on computers is known as email or electronic mail. Question 10. What is password? Answer, a password is a secret word or group of letters and or numbers which will allow a person to use or see the email account on typing it. Question 11. Who is netizen? Answer, people who use the net are netizens. Question 12. Would you like to be netizen? Answer, yes, I would like to be netizen and explore this ocean of information. Question 3. Draw a diagram to explain the idea of internet. Students, this is your diagram. And this is the explanation part in which satellite downlink and uplink is given. Next is find a picture of a computer with the help of your teacher and label the different parts you see. For example, monitor, screen, etc. You have to find it with the help of your teacher and name that picture. Question number 5. List all the pairs of antonyms you find in the passage. Antonyms are connected, disconnected, online, offline, send, receive, sending, receiving, different, same. Question 6 is WWW is a short form of World Wide Web. Find 10 other short forms related to ICT, that is information and communication technology. So यहाँ पर CD, ROM, RAM, email, IP, EC, EDI, E-Market, WAN एंड E-Map का फुल फॉर्म दिए हैं, आप यहाँ से कॉपी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. चूज़ अ वर्ड दैट हैज़ एट लीस्ट 4 letters इन इट. एग्जाम्पल है स्टेप. तो स्टेप का संडे एंड थर्सडे इवनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. तो इसी तरह से मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया है विथ, यानी वॉकिंग इंडिविजुअली टुवर्ड्स हेल्थ. Some extra questions from the lesson. First one, answer the following questions. First, complete the following. The system of sending and receiving messages or mail on computer is known as email or electronic mail. ठीक है. B, no two dash are the same. No two email address are the same. Question number 2. What information is conveyed through the extract? Answer, the extract conveys information about email. Third, write the full form of email. The full form of email is electronic mail. Next, what is an email account compared to? What is the difference? Answer, an email account is compared to our own letterbox. The only difference is, unlike our own letterbox, we can use the email letterbox not only for receiving mail but also for sending it. Question 5. Give the noun forms. First, shortness, unique, uniqueness.